We'll guide you through how to hide owner in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To hide the owner in Google Drive, first open your Google Chrome browser on your computer or laptop. Click the search bar at the top of the browser window, type Google Drive, and press Enter on your keyboard to search. From the results page, choose the first official Google Drive link to open the website. If you do not have a Google profile, click Create Account to begin. Select For My Personal Use from the account type options provided. Enter your first name and last name in the required fields, then click Next to continue. Enter your birth date, including the correct day, month, and year. Choose your gender from the drop-down menu and click Next to proceed to the Gmail address setup section. Type a unique username for your new Gmail and make sure it is available. Click Next to continue to the security and password setup. Carefully enter and confirm your password in both boxes, ensuring it is strong and difficult to guess. If prompted, scan the QR code using your mobile phone to verify your identity. You may also enter a recovery email address for security, or click Skip if you prefer not to add one now. Review your account information and click Next. Scroll down the Privacy and Terms page and click I agree. Your Google Drive account is now ready for active use. After you make the folder and upload your files, locate your uploaded file and right-click on it to open the Options menu. Select Share, then click Share again. When the sharing window appears, click the Restricted Access setting and change it to anyone with the link. Wait for the permissions to update. Then check the role setting next to the link and make sure it is set to Viewer. Click Copy Link to save the URL. Open a new tab, click the address bar, and paste the copied link. Find the word Edit at the link, delete it, and everything after it, and type Copy instead. Copy this modified link and press Enter to see that users will now only see a prompt to make a copy, which prevents them from seeing your name as the owner in the shared header.